beba de ma no what you say because when you so no ba na say gold kwara so be to ka so ma 3% kwara beje no so ma 3% kwara beje what you say o kana say 5 kwara beje na ne wo ha ne tie ye bia apie wo ha no mo den na mp 4% yen ko ye so mo betu nye de 10% afiri aban hye san ya ye kwete sense na ko san ye de 5% it's 10 afiri about 5 wow ene gold otu ni Ghana ha no be nyina ye de kakra bi ne wom amutu am de nyina akọ emine bia sembe no be ka jam se mo ko oboase be pa akotu go na China for no ye no o si gold pa esi o se jerrycan yellow no nko fu atam ade de ko gold no etal ho se jerrycan yellow no tenten no nye tietiaro tenten no si gold is we si kim hu na ye mo aso na China fu kokoro de ko ye de aketu bi na sa jerrycan de kwa kinkenya kwa na se de yo man ya kenye na kwa bla na be fa no de ko Ghana ni de
yellow pa
oh yellow shan what they call what they call na wontie me say blofo se men kan blofo se men nche mu twio e mo manfo nyina antibio na ewo ebo eho amane
okay
IMF empelimfo enkra info ni da ha mehunu Bank of Ghana governor info ni da ha ana mehunu Gold Board CEO info ni da ha na amaneboni wo say we want Bank of Ghana about Gold Board losses na say IMF for na kasai che ebra mehunu edwadi na Bank of Ghana any Gold Board edie no omo ka kire Bank of Ghana say edwana ekoso no eka beba enti munyai anu bu ne egu omasum omantie ene enne ya 22 million Ghana cedis ya kakofa ya de abayi tinu asem enso so the informer de bo krata no enso so ebo eho amane na say OSP is back say na to me Supreme Court amane to me so no betumi prosecute they say there wato nensa e de Africa no for say wonyina yie na isi etumi abekura nensam no osuru mu a onfa na mfa soro betwe fom de no na ba Ghana onfa na mfa nso kro aboso betwe no betwe fa aboso no na ba Ghana no ba Ghana nso ofa nyina ba bia aboabo ho ne ba be gina ho na abo no wo abo na bi mienene no hu say yes ampa ni ko so je bi na be wawai na o kina bi oba Ghana bi ni wo ye bibia obehwe yie ye fe no so a obeba ontu batan kwatena nkofo ho amane na appointment committee ena so Supreme Court judges nyensa ejo mutu mu no ene ho asem so kratai e de ho asem e de aba na wontumi yi ise da bonsa kola o
da bonsa kola
oh krata na tu foni na da no
esa kola
ase wontumi na pampa mu mpa ana wontumi na pampa mu apa oh da bi asemu osonto foma bobia bondi osonto fom ese wontumi tiro me hu se esa kola o ana aka yo mo na tiko ho se yo on se nkofo boya na omoti se no ama ha nyina ku na ha no ewonwi no saa na mfoni na aye ti na pampam si de ha nyina ku na
God is my baba
and my friend say
Jesus is my baba
Jesus is my baba
Jesus is my baba
unless I know
nyina pana aka
nyame na yi
nyame na yi
nyame yi enti mfoni da ha ne nyame yi na yesen ezem ban case no aja na wo mo call for a plea deal na no fairly na nna she trial process no ahase ya wo mo trial no hwasem daily guide democrat no enso so de aba na ayefo and say 1.7 billion yes ka Gold Board wabon he yamantu eboa omo so makenkan bi ahunu sam boa Gold Board na abosa ka no se mo prenkrofo aboka na mo konko hwe wo mo enye Gold Board ana abo saka no no asem enso da ha majority of boycott vetting Supreme Court judges no eno asem secretary e de aba na Martin Amidu sankan no ne OS won pa se na owo nyina ledwuma no wosua na wosua ne be ye adwuma pa amene nyina oguso wo ye adwuma ne kura de wo nyini ti na pampam no kura no nyame ye ne ya aba nyame ye ne ya aba edwon no so kakra wo ma onso no won pechehye ha won no ntesa yarega de be kata so sisi a but afenyo de ono no ne wo ho nti eno no nti krata no ade krata no nsɛm kro no ana adi adan sa
okay ebusanti de obokrata no ni animu nsɛm no na Mr. Obiamofa se man se boy bema ahon fedua tenten gramo wo de impense mo de nana mo se Bank of Ghana say
Bank of Ghana I say I am say edwadi anu ne Bank of Ghana Bank of Ghana ne ayidi no good board idi no omo won wo mo say edwadi amu de ka beba etimo hwie ne se jama mu a e ka susuro
no mo say BOG forecast 6% growth in second half of 2026 and some we go upon so eka hobi and afenyon so NDC government has broken its promises to Ghanaians. Afenyon dey obeying or the assembly bow. Say vibrant opposition there keep the government on toes. Let me meet me I hundi omoye. I think say never be one and nanu so be kujina about 4 markets offense about 4 markets is want say about be 24 markets ni bi e wo hono mo na say hono ya wada no mo didwa about 4 CBS oni ho a ya wada MPP apre abato adru so odo na ogina mu say yento no so aba na omeye national organizer team KP anopai menya opani no ewo ahoma ne so a yene no eba be din komo na yahwe nene so ade hunu ene hia be hia se MPP ma ebeto abama no se omeye national organizer na me se toto na agina tum se papai hebeledi as national organizer MPP obebo adoma no pa organizing ye ama party na yakono ama 2028 o maji 2 minutes the free NDC for nsem entianya team KP ewa ahoma no so yini nkomo kakra opani anopa yi yemo ache emu akwa aba e de ba Ahwenepa FM so
mini ya mejoso la bi which for here yo sa pa ko yo sa che o ti for ni obi bi o si di obi ya
anopa yi so ye je so pa we de wa unua andi nie tenese we de ye aidiem
insanity andi le bi ya boko
ja asante achembo ko pa o
le wa
da nyamia se ahana dodo na so dodo na 8 ya no pe mayen hwei enche emre no ben ba na eba na watu ho asi wo se yento abama wo se oba be national organizer ya na esi ahene tu ahene for no ebusa se hia se watu ho asi wo se beto abade ama wo se be NPP national organizer no openi woni so ade hunu ne sei botae be pa ene esi woni so
minia me da se ense abaya ko ti ya ka be bosomi ni na ochi na tab na so na party for yi na be ka bum na ko yi omu be party ni mo national de ni se na sa se ensa fi esi mi ya ko yi flag bearer and ya start for me as a share there be so na said it me start a flag bearer first no I change the na no me de me gidi say ye ni abre say e penkunim in 2028 into be near the na no na no said you decided to be a flag bearer first say prayer can before on which me dey say aba ba aboye ni to me na kwesi akaya ye ko 2028 esi enye omo amu ni swadi group omo proving track record no man mai bida na ade no so omo kanu se taso am between dia boy We didn't see say part of the year pa say a share no me. I believe for the planning. As a statistic no me in them. No matter to acquire.
Okay.
Because we are a chief one by again. The party the beautiful review and okay. But sometimes it's why me are making decision we need a better pump. And see you do so. Yeah, transition here. I feel do for my phone for the model age man. Na actually, yes, I the baby. Last time I ever club at 2024, near say the BFN vote out it. Now say yeah, but as if we vote out it. And then some 24 the buy, they say, and who's saying, you know, a man could see no more with the Uncle Siaka training say. But if we were a 12 bar all of a sudden near prepare who say be training. Now a friend say, or more, yes, you don't call training the crowd because you prepare who to know. In class in any panel a year. And he made a minister who back with the kind of say, as a family be Diano, class in a session woman, and no my Beno, Busumi and Sandia could see say, you better abano. Yeah, no man could be. Now, Oshe Abaya to 2024 year. You know, you say, and the end is for the Dinkuni. Name will be a for an uncle to Abba. Very, very clear. Oshe the numbers in the Ashanti region, the numbers in Greater Accra National, which was a year the uncle to Abba. And one Mubakai, say to Abano, wow, Peswaso. Ma Unam, Ma Wobwa. The Bob I know Echo Twaba. That's a starter and she and Bob I know former. Time will be do and then 2024 at Toyeno. After time will be do near and conform where you police station. Now I am affiliate. Because you said that any day home come or form. You said that near home. And you can't have someone for plans so they make a juma or form. If you do walk around or more police station be a crown. Now I think see who you have to do over to you. But you started a year home come over from. Not say you started Echo Ghana for Naswa, Lunia, because it's already 2028, no. About a Jumano, I am Rekaka. In fact, Union.
Okay.
And Chavia, Emma, open here, a friend, said David Ajay. Onona, or architect who designed a national cathedral, Obekaya. Now, obey interview. MCC are filming, it's a very much a promo, and I'll move a year. Now, really, Andy, a movie is an interview, no, you know, sign like you know, go for the frame. One of them say, Nami war the National Cathedral Procurement Technical Committee, so only say National Cathedral, they say they count. Now, almost a man who can be Brina, so who can say, Kwame, MP before Modiabro, Adaya, or Sa Cathedral, we say, I say, I did a Ghana. And a man fancy and say, I say, I'm a young Chelsea. Now you could see I could see the Abano. It's which they will say, see, never tray. That's a Kogana for us. Ya, you I've been to Omatiada. Yes, so must say, the interior, the NSA, DDEP, the interior, the SA, outside buyer, the interior buyer, the Domus Texas, we are sure, say, on Betiasia. No more are. MPP are putting a bit to the Ghana colony. They're also really. Yeah, government appointees near the idea. EBT. A two, and call for reduction to the ano. Really, I say a clear power match or near common as doing more send review higher any year. Because many say, na ye be age madin, na ye be cool yourself free. If you won't cry bubble, be a bonus soon. Now, ya to me, be the blue mine because any person again a year. Now, Ghana use media, and you'll be on a bit man appointment, and you'll be on a bay minister, and you'll be on a bay CEO, and then you'll be on a bay MC and RDC. And see, you hear movies. That's a moon could be a dim, near Bumaino. Now, you might think you more. Now, so you ever must say a crown at his ass, what to look move ye. Sometimes we buy when you see kind of the pill. But so being a queen. What near MCU and as a DCU, and as much near CU office, what near run Nakodin Common, no, say I'm part the party office. It is an input adeslebi no de baaye na so wanya ma no kra na Ad3ekyeɛ asɛm a ɔne ne bɛka wobɛnya abotire ne di nkɔmmɔ sɛ wunua ofi okra no wanya de info obɛgya kra na no sɛ ampa mabae wɔ hɔ saa de we na atu leso mfidia we ka ho bi na 2024 bebre na ɛtedae ɛtena fie because na mu na yama mu but we nyina ɛdetumi ayɛ ha sense yɛ edikan boaboa yɛ ho ano edikan ka yɛ ho abom na yɛtutu yɛ nan ne akɔ yɛ mo maka na so na yɛatwe mo abeta yɛ ho yɛtumi de akɔ 2028 na mia ɛno ma no de bebre sɛbe strategy ni bi wɔ ha intumi fanti dwa fie nkɔmmɔ na yɛsi edi na yɛhwɛ de yɛde yie bɛtu yie na yɛde akɔ anim na mene so ade hu sɛ de meka no aduane ɔma mmiɛnsa so de bi kan yɛ planning no yɛtɔ so mmienu so yɛbɛyɛ pepe yɛ ho yɛbɛboa yɛ ho na yɛtɔ so mmienu so yɛbɛboa yɛ ho ano ɛwɔ fam na yɛde akɔ abɔnten ɛne afoforɔ akɔdi nkɔmmɔ na prepare for 2028 yɛsɛ kakra de tia ka fa ɛno no ho no
na wohwɛ deɛ NDC for yeye amanfo so ɛsɛ President Mahama ɔyɛ adwuma paa nti 2028 ɛbɛyɛ den de ama MPP sɛ ɔmbɛtumi agye akonnwa no de afiri NDC for nsɛm nim saa afɔ no ya wote bi ana wohu bi sɛ ampa sɛ Ghana no kɔ n'anim under President Mahama na NDC government
Ghana obi obeka sɛ Ghana kɔ n'anim bia na yɛ nto no odwa obi obeka sɛ Ghana ti yɛ kɔ n'anim na dunia ne dia ahokyerɛ Ghana fo fam no nya wuyɛ ɛnsɛ we de to mu hɔ na mo ka about 24-hour market ya no we see aminia 24-hour market say explanation na we be bi omu dwa 1 day in 7 days na ochi ni na no omukọ market 1 day e da ba akọfẹ na obi a ontimi income market even 2 days 3 days a week no 24 hours e where dey market inside the no dream ho a and nyanse bi ni ba and mamenka secret bo 24-hour market a omania bere so mu bi si no constituency bia meko bodi ewo isefi meko bodi ye si 24-hour market o hwe otu ani a be 300 meters away ye si agenda 111 na aka ni ye wian ko betumi ato aso na ami se o pese o ma mebunu enyu adwuma 24 hours a hospital any market dey na nkezi ga usi enya hospital na ga usi hospital dey bia ye bi doctors benya adwuma ye nurses benya adwuma ye lab technicians cleaners omo moto aduane ebe 24 hours with me adwuma na no kro mu say sikadi enti na omo ye 24-hour market no kickback on million contract nti anyway enye Ghana for ambato mo de bo awo because adam ye nyanse bi anim so ba ko bubu market siwo say bebi wa ha kwa market siwa enye hwe ni ebubu no say 24-hour market because nkofo bi disika wo ho nti eno mo ye sa no mo we nyina ento mo ma contract no all Ghana 276 bibia almost say almost the 24-hour market we ebi ho na de ya wo mu ni say sa adenta market here ho adenta shopping center no barely 50% occupied it is space bibli de ma e de da ha obi antie it is the one okra no kwa intimi feeling we na o say besi foforo nyansa die ni na sikadia e so many 20 and by force NCC 276 market. Ada omukọ doma obeka ya. Doma hina on pay MP before sem, on pay na do DNT. E dey lokase Mahama. O si market we be. Ada Roma. Na do si bia mai. Ni mum hospital o sha ase no onye nwie. Nka mun ko wie no. Enso sika DNT by force. Omuso mo say 24-hour market. Oh man, doma. Nyansa e bi enim. Enti obi obeka say President Mahama amemu okoye. Ojo Ghana ho a andi enye no kure inina ya frakada ma ya ban ya raban eno moye na no 1.7 billion yin dia ban se fa hin almost 1 million loss almost 6 million ga from by parliament so much ma na news press conference akoye ko parliament ko bi di musiga no bi fire press conference na akoye na udi profate nyanse bi eni do muye go da mo funfun ye dia mani nia ye di we omo cheno mani bi good board hona contractor omo de ma omo good board lawyer or affiliated to omo ahono $8 million contract e da ma lawyers no enti sikadi ene go for omo ye and a Ghana forms who see a more trade. They say petrol, everybody. Okay, dollar of forms in 2024. Another one. And the petrol price. Okay, world marketer. The crude oil price, is less than it was in the 2024. And so they say petrol again, it's in 2024. We don't know man who Nancy BA. Omuka almost inflation number for by inflation number from you who from overcast from Kumasi to Accra. They say more than it was in 2024. It's even about 25% to 30% than it was in 2024. I buying and no control electricity, but over 30%. But the inflation is 5%. Then I buy now to the normal 25 to 30%.
Okay.
We doing no man who Nancy BA and on the Fracadama buying. You boom busum bugana my to and you really. Maybe on my buy no, and I did but make a share MP before say NBC are buying inquiry and the material meaning so I buy a man with a multimedia. Free HSS is almost Bob or multimedia. Peter for more promising almost about my automatic posting or multimedia. Next for I Juma or multimedia.